Welcome to Uganda, a nation where nature's generosity knows no bounds, nestled in the heart of East Africa. In 2015, Uganda took center stage as the president of the UN General Assembly, uniting 193 nations behind the groundbreaking 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and its 17 ambitious Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs.
The UN member states have finally agreed on the all-important SDGs.
This year, Uganda assumed chairmanship of two important global organizations, that is, the G77 plus China, during its third South Summit, and the Non-Aligned Movement, NAM, during its 19th summit, both held in Kampala, Uganda in January 2024. For the past 7 years, the government of Uganda has driven socio-economic transformation through inclusive approaches and interventions, empowering citizens to take ownership of the 2030 Agenda and building partnerships for SDG acceleration. Institutional delivery of the SDGs is guided by a multi-stakeholder national SDG coordination framework, which is operationalized by the Roadmap for Implementation. The government, in partnership with the United Nations, established a national SDG secretariat that has strengthened coordination and partnership architecture for SDGs. Since 2016, several milestones have been achieved. These include the translation of the SDGs into 13 local languages and an increase in the number of indicators with available data from 41 in 2016 to 127 in 2023. Uganda's third National Development Plan is at least 90% aligned to the SDGs. In 2022, the government, with its partners, initiated a national annual SDG conference to foster mutual accountability amongst stakeholders and strengthen the coordination mechanisms across multiple levels of government. Through the pledge to leave no one behind and reach the furthest first, the government of Uganda has launched several initiatives such as the Parish Development Model, PDM, aimed at transitioning the 39% of Ugandans currently engaged in subsistence farming into the money economy. It integrates public and private sector interventions across 7 key pillars: production, infrastructure, financial inclusion, social services, community data, governance, and mindset change. Uganda has made significant progress in reducing its Global Hunger Index score, dropping from 27.8 in 2015 to 25.2 in 2023. The country has, over the years, strengthened a healthcare system that effectively supports both preventive and curative services. This system has withstood shocks like COVID-19 and other disease outbreaks. The maternal mortality rate has reduced from 336 to 189 per 100,000 live births, and the infant mortality rate has dropped from 43 to 35 per 100,000 live births in 2016 and 2023 respectively. Significant strides aimed at achieving higher levels of economic productivity through diversification, technological upgrades, and innovation have been realized. To this end, the government has implemented the Industrial Development Strategy. Forest cover has increased from 9.5% in 2015 to 13.3% in 2023. Wetland cover has improved from 8.9% in 2019 to 9.5% in 2023. Uganda has played an active role in promoting regional peace and security through the hybrid peace support operations between the African Union and the United Nations.
As we move towards 2030, the government of Uganda has identified 6 transformative commitments to accelerate SDGs. These are focused on leaving no one behind through the Parish Development Model, trade financing, and climate-smart investments, science, technology, and innovation.
The journey towards achieving sustainable development goals is a testimony of resilience, innovation, and collaboration, an epitome of the NRM government's aspiration to build a nation where no one is left behind.